Welcome, today I'm here with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter. Now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker, so then value this on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 114.2 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.